Good morning, class 7. Uh, how are you all doing? Well, you can't answer me, so I'll do the talking. And I guess you all are being happy, your family, your parents, your relatives all are being safe and taken care of, and you are eating properly, sleeping properly, playing properly, and being naughty also. That's needed. If you are not naughty, how will you survive? But a naughtiness has to be in a disciplined way also. Everything has to be in discipline. Okay, so we were there at this part. See, class 7, I am telling all classes today, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, everybody I am telling that actually it's mandatory. I am going to give worksheets for, suppose, I'll just give an example. Let's go to the civics part. Democracy, let's go to that pillars of democracy. Okay, now let's do democracy in action. No, pillars of democracy, chapter 2. Sorry, I like to bother you. Suppose now, why is public opinion essential for a democracy to work? How is political awareness an important condition for democracy? Suppose there are questions here, short answer questions in 3 parts, 3 questions are there. Now I give you multiple choice questions to see whether you can solve it or not. I am not giving anything out of democracy. I am not giving anything out of wise leadership, enlightened citizens, accommodation of differences. If I suddenly write, tell me the pillars of democracy, that question is not here. That question is not here. So is it wrong? Again, class 7, bad luck. It's not in the book. Why did you give this question? It is not in the book. No, it's for your practice, so that you can answer any type of question. You will be getting prepared for yourself. Maybe it's not here, it might come in class 10, or you will know your chapter. What are the pillars of democracy? What are the pillars including in democracy? Suppose I give you a question. Democracy, what are the principles based on democracy? That question is also not here. And I will give you options. What are the principles based on democracy, equality and human dignity? Right? But don't give me that question. It's not there in the book. These MCQs practice sheets will help you to know more about your subject. It will help you to read. It will help you to understand. Again, class 7, bad luck. Again, I am repeating the same sentence. Please, it's not all about question answers from the back of the book. Those who know about it, they will not say anything. But those, I have got these questions from the best students. I am not taking any names. But please, whatever I give in the upload site, please try to solve it. It's for your good, not for me. I am not gaining any benefit. Question answers you have to solve. That is a part of your match, your terminal match. But to know your chapter, if you know your chapter, you will be able to answer anything at the back. Okay, please try to listen to me and do the work which I give you. So now we are going to come to democracy in action. Right. Democracy, pillars of democracy we have done. Equality we understood. Now we have to understand the equality in democracy. then only we will come to know what is the actions of democracy, challenges in democracy. What is universal adult franchise? What is dignity? Okay, we will discuss this today. After that, I will read. Understood? So, equality in Indian democracy. What equality do we have? Suppose I am working in the school, and I am just giving an example. I am just trying to show the dignity and the equality of dignity. I work in the school, or let's cut it that way. I teach some children tuition. Example, I don't teach anybody. I have never taken tuition in my life. Never ever. I used to go with my friends just to see what the tuition master does. I used to come back home and study whatever my dad had said, whatever you study in school, come back and do it at home, and if you can't do it, it's your bad luck. No tuitions. Then I was sent to the hostel. Also, hostel we didn't also have tuitions. So I am not in that tuition era or that flow. Suppose I go to teach you at home. Don't mind, I am putting you into the example. And during the time of payment, your father comes and throws the money like that. In a packet, he rolls it in a rubber band. Yes, sir, take your money. Or he just drops it on the ground. Alright, it's fallen, go pick it up, your money is there. Is that right? Example I am just giving. That's not my dignity. Whatever job I am doing, whatever work I do, even if I polish a shoe and someone throws me the money. I have seen people throwing money to beggars. Why throw? That is a human being. Give the money, put it on the side, or give it to him. If you don't touch him, what's there in touching? Corona is happening everywhere. No one is touching each other. Corona is coming. So we must dignity. If I should not throw money, I drink tea in a shower, take your money. Oh, it's not done. That's out of the dignity. If I am there in that place, I'll say, you pick up that money, bring it and give it to me. I am doing a good job. I am not stealing. It's my dignity to get respect. I am selling tea or brushing your shoes. That doesn't mean I am not a human being. So, the Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal. That's what the Constitution says, not us. Constitution is saying that. This means that every individual in the country, including male, female, from all castes, religions, tribes, educational and economic backgrounds, are recognized as equal. Now, this does not qualify that inequality ceases to exist. Inequality is there. It does not cease. But at least in democratic India, the principle of the equality of all persons is recognized. We know that everybody is equal because it is in the law, but we don't perform it. While earlier, there was no law exist to protect people from discrimination and ill treatment. Now there are several that work to see that people are treated with dignity and as equals. That mafia don, that Dubey or something, some Vikas Dubey or something, who was shot dead by the police encounter. They assume that he killed 8 police officers, but he did not shoot. I don't know, that's what the news said. In an encounter, they had gone to raid his house, they found him, and they said that during a raid at his house, 8 policemen were shot dead. He was arrested later, whatever, and then he was being brought back from some place back to UP, and they said that he was running with the gun, so he was shot dead. Encounter. There are rules in the police, you can have encounter, but the human rights who fight for people's dignity, self-respect and equalism, they said, what is it? Then what will the judge do? Why is the law there? If he is running, catch him. Break his bones. Shoot him in the leg. Shoot him in the hand. Get him wounded. That was justice. Suppose we ill-treat our servant. Suppose we ill-treat someone on the road. He'll go to some place. He'll go to an office. He'll go to the local party office. He'll go to the local police station. If a girl is harassed on the road, she will go to the police. She will again, the police might start molesting. Where shall we go? Corruption is everywhere. I'll come back in the next video.